Right now, what we're gonna do is just press on open. Gonna see this, and then we're just gonna accept all. We're gonna allow it, because that's just how it works. And then right here, you guys can see this: continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, or continue with email. I suggest always just continue with email whenever you're signing up for something, and that's because what this does when you continue with Apple or Google or Facebook or anything like that, it's just getting your information from those accounts. You're giving this dude access to that. So my suggestion is don't. Just give your email, even if it's the same email that you use for Google, for your Apple or Facebook, whatever. It's just your email at least. So we're going to start off just exactly with that, with email. Right here, we can just type that in. Once you type your email, just press on continue, and then it's going to take you to the next screen. All right, then your next screen is going to ask you for your name. So just put in your name. It should fill something out just based on your email, and then going to continue. You guys can put any name you want. Then you're going to receive this. So you're going to receive a code on your mail. And you guys can see that code down here below already because it already got sent to me. And you guys can make it resent at any point in time. I'll show you how the code looks like. So this is in my email, and that's how the code looks like. So just copy that and then just press on continue. From there, we're gonna just do the whole setup. So what are you gonna use this for? So in this case, we're just gonna put personal, and that's about it. We're pretty much done. If you guys wanna go back to anything, on the top left-hand side of your screen, you're gonna see those lines. From there, you're gonna see this. So you should see your name. You guys can try Pro for 14 days. I would do that only once, if you use this a little bit and you see that maybe you need Pro and you want to try it out and what that does. You can also add your profile picture if you like. And there's a bunch of other options on the side. So that's how you guys can get started with this. Something that you may want to look at, well, right away it tells you right here what you guys want. So if you guys want to create videos, social media, print, a doc, whiteboard, website, it's all right here. So it's pretty nice. Templates are your second option on the bottom. So you guys will see that on the bottom to the right, templates. You're going to see templates right away for stuff. The plus sign, it's in the middle. So you can get started with whatever you want. If you press the plus sign, there you go. You guys can just get started with presentations or anything you guys want to, and that's why you downloaded this. This will help you out. But this is just this video, specifically this video. It's just how to get started with this. If you guys want to see a manual of how to use this, I do have a separate video that shows you all the basics when it comes down to this. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.